Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? And how's your study going on? Hope all is well. So my dear students, do you know that after 2 or 3 days, the month of Ramzan is going to start? This is the time, or you can say this is a good opportunity to make Allah happy and get reward in return from Allah. So pray and recite Quran daily. And also help your mothers. So let's start our today's lesson. Today we are going to make a paper craft, a fish, a paper fish. So I will tell you how we can make this paper fish. So let's start. For this we need one glue stick, one marker, one scissors, one pencil and 3 color papers of different color. Okay, so first we are going to fold this paper because we don't need this much big paper. We need the short paper. So first we will fold the paper and cut this extra paper. So after cutting this paper, we get this much paper. Then we have this line, folding line. Can you see this folding line? Now we have half of the paper till this folding line like this. Then we will do same to the other part like this. We will get this shape. Now we have 3 folding lines, 1, 2 and 3. After this we will again fold it to the first one line like this. Now we have this folding line. Now we are going to use scissors and cut it till this folding line with small distance. Okay, till here we will cut the paper like this. Now we are going to open it. Now we are going to cut this corner and give it a curve shape, like this. Like this curve shape. Now first we have to apply gum on this part, this part we will apply gum stick. Okay. After applying this gum, we are going to join these 2 papers together. Like this. Now this paper is, now we get this shape. After this we need next paper, this yellow paper. We will fold this paper. We will fold this paper just this much and we will draw half heart shape like this and then cut it. After cutting this, we need one more shape like this, same one more shape. You can also draw it and you can also trace it. And then cut it. So now we have 2 heart shapes. First we will paste it as a tail of this fish like this. Then we will cut this heart from the center and use it as its fins. We will apply gum at this edge and paste it here and paste it here. Then the next part, again we are doing the same thing. Apply gum and paste it on the other side like this. Now it's time to make its eyes. For its eyes we need one white paper and need circle. Draw a circle and then cut it. After cutting these circles, we draw eyeballs on it. Okay, like this. Now we are going to paste it. Apply some gum on the back side of these eyes. And then we are going to paste it here. This one on the next here. So, okay, so this is a fish, but it is not complete yet. Now we are going to make its this part. We need this paper again, this pink paper which we have cut in the first. Now we are going to cut it. Just give a curve shape from the edge like this. After cutting this, we get this shape. Now we are going to apply some gum here and paste it like this. Then we again want some yellow paper. Again the same shape we are going to cut. First we are going to cut a square shape and then give it some curve edge like this. Now we are going to apply gum on the back side of this paper and paste it here. So this is the complete look of our fish. So you can also make it. This one is very good fish craft. You can also make it and enjoy it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.